So let's write a module where we can spawn 3 threads using fork-join none in a loop. And the thread spawns one by one as the loop iterates and displays the iteration variable. But for this time, I will add a delay right before the fork. So let's begin. So the goal is to print 0, 1, and 2. So does this delay affect in any way? Let's find out. So as per the output, we can see that the fox samples the value of j when j is already incremented. So that's why it misses the value of j is equals to 0. So why is this happening? It is because of the non-blocking nature of join none. The thread only executes later in the given time slot, right after the for loop. And where does the slot end? It's right here, in this delay. So by that time, the value of the j is already incremented to 1. So let's fix this. And the fix is very simple. I will just add an automatic variable here, right here. And I will assign it to j. And I will make the display inside the fork join to sample it instead. So let's run the code again. So yep, that works. Now we are getting 0, 1, and 2 from each of the threads. Okay,